another day, another day of losing money. Sucks to suck. All right, I'm late, but you know what? I'm a changed man. I'm late, but I'm not gonna try to rush. I'm not. We're gonna take it easy. We have a sunset photo shoot with Austin, the best in the game. All right, good. And I'm late. I thought we were meeting at 7:30. We were actually meeting at 7, and it is 7:04. We're 30 minutes away. Sunset is at 7:41, so we have a 6-minute setup time. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna need like 20 minutes. Just stay up. Don't go down. He's not gonna listen. The only good thing is, last time we took this route, this car's so loud. It was full-on bad traffic. Now, we're chilling. We're good. I know this sounds stupid, but I think we beat the sun. It's almost down. It's like halfway down, and we're literally right there. I looked at the sun and I can't see. Oh, I see something purple. Oh, I think I see them. I think I see them. I think I see them. Oh, I see them. I think I see them. I see them. Yes, I see them. I made it in time, kind of. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? What's up, Collier?
What's up?
It's good.
Just move out of the way.
Do I go where he is?
Huh?
Do I go where Collier is?
We're gonna do rollers real quick before the sun goes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, you got a plane, dude. Look at that. Good old plane. Dude, this spot is nice. What the heck? Huh?
Collier just raced the Eco Boost.
Oh, Collier's gonna race the EcoBoost?
He already did.
Oh, he already did?
Yeah,
Who won, the EcoBoost?
No.
Oh, we're gonna do rollers with mine as well?
We're gonna do rollers real quick.
Oh, shoot, okay. I thought you meant Collier's car. We're gonna do my car rollers. Okay, cool. It's probably not safe, but we're going like 20 miles per hour, so it's not.
This is what we're gonna do next. So you go on the opposite side of the road.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna go on this side going up with you.
Oh, we're gonna do more rollers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Obviously, you guys want to see these pictures, follow Austin on Instagram. I like your van. This is, oh, what? I gotta get my phone out. Like this? Whatever, those are. I'm so dead. Somebody was having a lot of. This is getting out of hand, man. I'm just spinning the car. And that's it. I don't want to continue doing that. Was that my turbo or that plane? A little twisty. Hey. Connor just wants to race me. When I'm on my fast map, you can't bully me now. Definitely not on this map. Man, I had to race the sun and then I get bullied by a Tesla. Shake my head. Bro.
There's a cop right there.
Where?
Cop right there.
Back into where? Oh. We're taking some dope pictures, dude. I love this. They're like staring over there. It's just a zebra. All right, he looks pretty cool, right? Like it looks really good, but like, what's going on here, bro? I gotta call him out.
Do I take premium or what? Like,
You should take diesel, in my opinion. Yeah, you're gonna put gas. All right.
That's what it looks like online.
Oh, yours is like a dark blue. Oh my gosh. All right. Do you wanna? You gotta tap it here twice.
open the button.
Remember to put diesel. All right, I'm gonna move my car a little bit.
Let's go.
There we go. What's up, brother?
What? You're leaving?
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
that's the last spot anyway.
Yeah.
It really-
Well, I edited that one. I actually edited that picture, and I tagged him. See, I'm a good friend. Anyways,
Edits all
follow
the pics.
Austin.
He edits all the pics.
Follow, yeah, I'm the one that edits all these pictures that you're gonna see on my Instagram and Austin's Instagram. I actually edit them. He just takes them. And Collier records all my videos. Can you guys hear how bad my exhaust leak has gotten? I know I've been talking about this for like a year now. Check this out. That's a legit exhaust leak. It's bad.